Good morning, class 1 students. How are you? I hope you are all well. Oh, I am. I am also well. Now, today we learn grammar. So, grammar class, and today we learn match describing words. Match the describing words with their opposite word. Okay, open at page number 26 of your grammar book. First, cheap. Cheap means cheap খুব কমা, okay? সস্তা, cheap, expensive or costly. Costly. Next, in comes in and comes out, okay? In, out. Open, open. Now find out open. Open, close. Wide, narrow. Wide অনেক চওড়া, narrow সরু, okay? Next, cool. Cool, where is warm? Yes, number C, warm. Weak, weak, strong. The elephant is strong, okay? Sell, sell, buy. Okay, বিক্রি করা, buy কেনা. Fast, fast, last. Black, white, right, wrong. Okay, so these are the describing words with their opposite words. You have to match the words like this and memorize the words. Okay, next, open at page number 27. Now here is a sentence. You have to fill in the blanks with the opposite words of the given describing words. Page number 27, and look at the board. Page number 27. Here is given the first sentence, the Qutub Minar. Do you know Qutub Minar? The Qutub Minar is the proper pronunciation is not a, okay? Is dash, and the word, the describing word given in the bracket, short. Building. Do you know the Qutub Minar is a famous building? So you have to fill in the blanks with the opposite word of this given word. Here the word is given short. So the Qutub Minar is a short building. No, short, opposite word tall. So the Qutub Minar is a tall building. Okay, you have to write tall in the blanks. Number 2. He is carrying a dash light bag. Here light means not light of the electric bulb or light of the tube light. Here light means halka, ojon jar kom. Okay, he is carrying a light bag, not light, heavy. Okay, heavy. He is carrying a heavy bag. Okay, so opposite word of light is heavy. Short, tall. Okay, number 3. Okay, keep out of dash, the word good company. Keep out of dash company, the word given good. You have to write the opposite word of good. So the opposite word good, yes, everyone knows it, bad. So keep out of bad company. Okay, you have to fill in the blanks. There are 10 sentences and I have written the answer in your worksheet. So write it in your book. Now, and another puzzle for you given in your grammar book. The puzzle first, down and across. One has been done for you, down and across. Like the first word, due. Here the first word, of. The second word, like stop. Here the second word, like tall. Okay, here are many words. Look, the first word here, new, here stop, and here off and tall. Okay, so new. What is the opposite for new? New? Yes, old. Stop. Start. Start or begin, but you have to write start because in your book given S, A and T. Okay, so write start. Off, on, and tall, short. Okay, S H O R T. Okay, fill in the blanks. The answer is given in your worksheet and do the puzzle. Now here is also revision from the naming words. Do you know what are naming words? The words that tells us about the names of people, animals. These are called naming words. Like the first, I like sweets. Okay. Now find out the naming words. I like sweets. Okay. What I say, naming words refers to the names of any animal, anything, or any people. Here, naming word. Find out the naming word. Sweets. Do you like sweets? Yes, I like sweets. So the naming word is sweet. So encircle the naming word. Okay. Second sentence. I love my friends. Now find out the naming words from this sentence. I love my friends. What are the naming words? Friends, name of people. So friends. Okay, is that clear? You have to do the revision of naming words. And now use he, she, it, they. Another revision for like use he, she, it, they. Okay, like he, she, it, they, and we. Like do it yourself. One has been done for you. Like Tina dances gracefully. Now can you tell me what will be the answer? You have read in the previous class, Tina dances gracefully. Okay. So Tina is the name for a girl. So Tina, he, she, it, they, we. What? So Tina, she. So you have to write the answer she. Is that clear? We use he for a boy, male naming word. She for a girl or female naming word. It, non-living thing or animal. They, more than one, many, but we many. But remember, they means only other people, but we means you and your friends of other people. Okay? So is that clear? So now it's a lockdown period. Stay at home and don't make noise. Obey your parents. Thank you.